votare il prossimo anno, dopo le elezioni politiche.
Yeah.
We also
Understood.
have elections. Oh, okay.
Exactly. Yeah. That's right. And the Prime Minister's doing okay?
Ok.
Yeah. Your party or another party?
Another party, ma same coalition.
In the same coalition.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Ma
Yeah,
il party
that's
is Lega.
right.
E Fratelli d'Italia,
Right.
the party of Giorgio Meloni.
Yeah.
Then Lega with Matteo Salvini, and the other one is Forza Italia with Tajani, ma it's the party of Berlusconi.
Election through the weekend. Yeah. So I think we leave on Wednesday. Elections on Tuesday. We leave on Wednesday. I think we stay through Sunday. Not long enough.
Rome is already waiting for you because they are saying, okay, we will have the insights of the midterm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Directly.
Absolutely. What will be interesting is if there are any members on that trip that lost. But my wife and I took our two daughters to Italy in last May, a year ago.
Where in Rome?
We went to Rome, and we saw the Pope get, for lack of a better word, sworn in as the Bishop of Rome at his church there, not the Vatican there, where he did the Mass.